Hello friends, today we will be discussing about all-in-one dental implant model from Identical, in which you can explain various dental problems and their solutions to the patients. In this video, I will be explaining you about various aspects of this model and how you can use this and how you can benefit from this. Starting with the maxilla, we can see impacted third molar. Next to this, we have this tooth supported bridge which can be removed. And we can see prepared abutment teeth. Coming to the front, we can see avulsion of the tooth and single implant supported crown. Here we have these two indirect restorations placed over these teeth. This is inlay and this is an onlay. Here we can see this pulp chamber and root canals, which can be helpful in explaining normal tooth anatomy. Coming to the mandible, we can see mesioangular impaction and we can see mesial caries here. These two teeth are also carious and we can observe periapical granuloma formation with respect to this particular tooth. Here we have effraction lesions and gingival recession is evident in these three teeth. In the front, we have this Maryland bridge with thin wings on either sides. In the back, we have this beautiful implant supported bridge. And we can observe implant fixtures and implant abutments. Lastly, we have this horizontal impaction. I hope you learned something good from this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.